As an innovative company with more than 30 years of experience, we are your international specialist for conventional and CNC-controlled machines. Through retrofitting, we optimize productivity, increase quality, and reduce the operating costs of your conventional machinery. Together with a newly developed control system, we can control up to 5 axes in a user-friendly way. Thanks to the pluggable electrical box, extensions can also be realized more easily. With a protection cap with integrated safety monitoring, your safety is our top priority. We are looking forward to a joint project.